Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Coco Maweni warned DJ Tira, she has been trending lately, so she has been trending for that reason. She warned DJ Tira because she had a vision of some sort of something bad happening to DJ Tira, guys. She had a prophecy or something like that. But yes guys, South Africa has been grappling with a series of mysterious deaths amongst its celebrities, leaving fans and the nation in shock. Coco Maweni has come forward with a chilling warning that more lives are at risk unless immediate spiritual action is taken. So Maweni's prophetic vision, she revealed that the recent spate of deaths is linked to a major road accident that occurred in 2021, claiming the life of a prominent Sangoma. According to Coco Maweni, this Sangoma had sinister ties to many celebrities involving soul-selling practices. The Sangoma's death has left a spiritual void, causing harm to the entertainment industry. So now she says that the next target is DJ Tira. She specifically named DJ Tira as the next celebrity at risk. She warned that without spiritual intervention, DJ Tira might not live to see the end of 2025. So Maweni emphasized that DJ Tira needs to undergo a cleansing ceremony to rid himself of any negative spiritual ties. So this is a call for cleansing. She also highlighted the importance of a large-scale cleansing ceremony to address the spiritual unrest. Because guys, clearly there's something wrong in the entertainment industry. The number of car accidents that has been happening and taking lives of celebrities, guys, it is shocking. It's really shocking. So Coco Maweni insists that the ceremony should focus on the location of the 2021 accident, which she believes is the source of the negative energy affecting the celebrities. So Coco Maweni's message was that without any action, the country could face another tragic accident in December. This will be marked by the loss of another beloved public figure. So her call to DJ Tira and other celebrities is not just a warning, but a plea for them to take their spiritual health seriously. Oh my God. So Coco Maweni, Coco Maweni's revelations have sparked conversations across South Africa, with many questioning the spiritual safety of their favorite celebrities. Now, as the nation watches and waits, we need to know, are the celebrities going to take this warning to do something about it, or do they think that she is just overreacting, nothing is wrong, everything is just going well? We don't know. We will see, but I'm just hoping that we don't lose any more South African celebrities going forward. We've lost a lot, guys. We've lost a lot, and I'm just hoping that it's not another car accident, because guningi man, it's enough now.